Okay, there's one more thing you have to do if you want to use splash page number 6 and splash page number 2. You need to upload these images. We're going to show you how to do that. Okay, so we're going to create splash page 2. All right, we're going to use the blank template. Every time you choose one, you got to update it first, and then you got to scroll down and click on go back to edit. Okay, so this is where you put the code in. We're just going to put stop surfing or peanuts. We're going to change a picture, so we're going to scroll down to the bottom and upload your own picture. Patty uploaded her cat. Now, to get that picture, what I did, I put it in the file. Okay, you can see I added background for Splash 2 and a background for Splash 6. So we're doing Splash 2, so we need this background. Okay, now how to get it, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to steal it. So you right click on the picture, save image as, okay, and then put it in your pictures. You know, make a file for it, whatever. I have one under images, backgrounds with that name. Okay, so now I have it on my computer. So now you can choose a file to upload. So now we're going to go choose it. Go to wherever you put it. You can throw it on your desktop. And Splash 2 background. And then click on upload. Okay, there it is. Now go back to change picture. We're still working on that splash page. And now we're going to, it's set for no pictures. So now we're going to select our uploaded pictures. And we're going to choose that one. Say update. Now go back to edit page. Okay, so that's going to be the background. Now the other thing you have to do is we don't want that to scroll. And then we don't want it to repeat. You know, that'll just repeat all the way down the page. So you no scroll, original size, and no repeat. Okay, and we can update that. And there's a preview of the page. Now we just got to add the page now, Joe. All right, and we got to go back and get the code. We got the image. Now we want the code for Splash 2. All right, remember how you did that? You go
Hello, my name is Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Are you?
You go over here somewhere. Now we don't want to get the picture. Okay, so that didn't get the picture. So we got view page source. Copy all this and go back to our Splash Builder, the little HTML source editor. I'm going to paste it in there. Control V or right click, paste. All right. And then the only thing you got to change is the button. You want that to go to your capture page. So you scroll down to look for the button. And you want to put your capture page in here. Second one, we just look. Make sure I get the right one. Okay, so this is her link. So we put that right here. And then click update. And then we have to update it again right here. Every time you make a change, you got to update it. In the preview here, it should show it, what it's going to look like. And we should see Joe walking.
Hello, my name is Joe.
And there's Splash 2. We want to just look at it. We do need a black background on this one. So let's go back to edit. The other one doesn't have any black showing. Okay, so let's update it again. So now we're going to view it.
Hello, my name is Joe.
Okay, so that's what you got to do with the pages that you're using a background for.